start the setup. Let's set up the environment for the Python development. So to set up the environment, we need a Python interpreter. So we need to go to the Python official website. So type the Python on Google Chrome or any web browser. So after typing the Python, then you need to go to the official website, that's the python.org. So after going there, click on the download button, then choose your system accordingly. Mine is Mac OS, so it's showing the default. Need to download the Python versions. Then as per your systems, like for Windows there is some other type of versions than Linux, Mac OS and other. So I choose for the Mac OS. So I have already installed the Python in my system, so I no need to click on this package. So after that, when it is successfully installed, then you can okay, so let me click on this the complete setup. So this pop-up will show will come out. Then click on the continue button, then continue, again continue, then choose the agree button, then choose your installation drive. So mine is default one, so I'm clicking on the install. Then for Mac, need to provide the password. So it will take some time to install the Pythons in my system. So meanwhile, we can go for the IDE. So there are many IDEs available in the internet. So the best one is Visual Studio, which is from the Microsoft. So you can download the Visual Studio Code or IDE. Other one is available like PyCharm. So if you type on PyCharm, then the JetBrains website will come out. Then click on that. Then here you will show click on the download. Then you can find there are two type of versions, like professional and community. So we'll use the community version. As a professional, it's a premium version, so need to pay payment, do the payment things for that. If you want to buy the product, then you can go with that, otherwise you can go with the community versions. So I am using the community versions for this development, so you can follow that. So these two IDE you can use if you want. Then here you can see the Python is successfully installed. So need to check if the Python is successfully installed or not. So if you type Python on terminal, so need to open the terminal, then type Python version. So see, it's showing 2.7.18. so if you can check here, the Python version is 3.10.2, but here it's showing 2.7.8. so it is a default version of the Python. If I type Python 3, then version, see here you can see the latest version of the Python. So this is the thing to verify the Python install or not. So now come to the main thing. So we'll create a new project. So I have already created. You can click on the new project, then it will ask for the name. So I have set up the name for the PyTutorial. So we'll do the things over here. So to verify that if it's running or not, just type print, then hello world. Then to run, click on this button, or for the Mac user you can control add. So here you can see those messages, hello world, sorry, so it should be the hello world. So now it's hello world. So this is the thing for today session. We will see the further thing from the tomorrow session, the conditions, variables and other stuffs like looping, then we'll see the important things, and like advanced things we'll see in the future. So to see the future tutorials, subscribe to my channels and share the thing with friends. Thank you.